Hey there, future traders. Are you just starting out and wondering how to make a profit with just a little technical know-how? Well, you're in luck. I'm here to guide you through an indicator that I've personally designed, and guess what? I'm giving it to you for free. Let's dive right into it. The magic tool we're talking about is the TradeGenius CE+MA indicator. To get the most out of it, you'll need to tweak some settings just like I do. With these tweaks in place, you're ready to trade using buy and sell signals from this indicator. But hold on a minute. Relying solely on these signals won't shield you from trading against the trend. But fear not, I've got you covered. Just head back to the indicator settings and activate the Show Moving Average option. And adjust the length to 200. Ensure the type is set to SMA. Lastly, to make sure the chart is neat and easy to read, go to the Style tab and turn off some options just like I do. This will declutter your chart and make trading a breeze. See that yellow line on the chart? That's our trusty 200 period moving average, a key player in helping us spot the market trend. If the price is chilling above this line, you're suffering an uptrend. But if the price is below it, you're sliding into a downtrend. But hold on your horses. Before we jump into the deep end with the rules of entry and exit for this strategy, I've got another trick up on my sleeve. We're going to rope in another indicator to help us dodge those annoying false signals. So mosey on back to the indicator section and let's add the moving average convergence, divergence, or the cool kids call it the MACD to your chart. Now before we let the MACD loose, we've got to fine-tune its settings. Just follow my lead step by step and we'll have it purring like a kitten in no time. The MACD indicator with its histogram position is your secret weapon to filter out those low potential signals. Here's how it works. If the histogram is positive, meaning it's above the zero line, it's a green light for a buy signal and red light for sell signals. But if the histogram is negative, it's the other way around. Sell signals get the green light and buy signals stop in their tracks. Now let's get down to the brass tack of trading. To jump into a buy trade, you first need a buy signal on your chart. Next, make sure the closing price of the signal candle is above the yellow line of the moving average. And for the final step of confirming a buy signal, the MACD indicator's histogram should be positive. With all these conditions met, your buy signal is good to go and you can dive into a long trade. But wait, as soon as you enter the trade, quickly place your stop loss under the recent swing low to manage your maximum loss. And when it comes to exiting a profitable trade, set your risk to reward ratio to 1 to 1.5. Alright, to initiate a sell trade, you first need to spot a sell signal on your chart. Then, check if the closing price of the signal candle is lagging below the yellow line of the moving average. The final piece of the puzzle is the MACD indicator's histogram, which should be negative. So if all these stars align, your sell signal is confirmed and you're ready to jump into a short trade. Don't forget, once in your trade, safely place your stop loss above the recent swing high to cap your potential loss. And for exiting a profitable trade, aim for the risk-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. Now let's take a look at these examples to see how this strategy really works. Here we have a sell signal, but since the price is above the moving average, we're going to pass on this one. The next signal is a buy and the price is above the moving average, but if you check out the MACD indicator, it's negative, so we're going to skip this one too. The following signal is a sell signal, but since the market is trading upward according to the moving average, you're going to ignore this one. The next signal is a buy, and even though the market is trading upward, the MACD indicator correctly filtered it out. Now, if you want to use this indicator for free, it's as easy as a pie. Just click the link below this video to join our Telegram channel TradeGenius. There you'll find a text file waiting for you. Download it, open it up, and copy all the contents. Next, take a trip to the TradingView website and find the point editor at the bottom. Clear out anything that's already there and paste the contents of the text file. Then just hit the save button followed by the add to chart button. And just like magic, the indicator is now added to your chart for free, ready for you to use anytime. But wait, there's more. If you're aiming to trade with the best, most comfortable and profitable strategy, then you definitely need to check out this recommended video. Let's hit the trading floor running.